How to download Roblox Studio on your phone. Hi everyone, in this following video I'm going to show you the ways to download Roblox Studio on your phone. So to download Roblox Studio on your phone, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and open up your mobile device and make sure that you're connected to an internet service. So basically, to install or download the Roblox Studio on your phone, you have to use the web browser. So for that case, open up a browser and on the web address bar, go ahead and type in Roblox Studio. It's going to take you to the official page, and here you have to go to create.roblox.com. And if you're not logged in, make sure that you're logged into your account. When you're logged in, it's going to take you to this sort of page. So here, go ahead and tap the profile icon. It's going to take you to the dashboard page. So here, go ahead and tap the three dot icon from the top right and go to add to home screen. If you're sure about it, go ahead and press the add button, and then you have to go ahead and press on add automatically. So it's going to take a couple of seconds, but when you exit out of your web browser, here you should be able to find the Roblox Studio. Let's go ahead and type in Roblox, and you should be able to explore your Roblox account. So that's how you can download Roblox Studio on your phone. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.